Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a new chapter that is called the units and dimensions. Okay. First, what is physics? What is physics? It is the branch of physics, science, branch of science which deals with study of matter and energy or matter and motion. Okay. For the better study, for better purpose of study, अच्छा से फिजिक्स को पढ़ने के लिए फिजिक्स कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 7 ब्रांचेस, 7टा ब्रांच ताको डिवाइड कराई मेजर डिविजन्स ऑफ फिजिक्स, मेजर डिवीजन ऑफ फिजिक्स. There are 7 branches. Number 1 mechanics, number 2 waves and acoustics, number 3 heat and thermodynamics, The 3 branches are taught in class 11 only. These are the branches which are taught in class 11 only. ये तीनों ब्रांच खाली 11 में पढ़ा जाएगा. तो अदर ब्रांचेस आर इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स, नंबर 5 में मैग्नेटिज्म, नंबर 6 में ऑप्टिक्स, नंबर 7 में मॉडर्न फिजिक्स. Okay, these are the 7 branches in physics. What are they? Now first one is mechanics, second one is wave and acoustics, heat and thermodynamics, electrostatics, magnetism, optics and modern physics. Next, what is a physical quantity? कहा को आमे physical quantity कहबा. That means a quantity which can be measured directly or indirectly, जहाँ को आमे सीधा सड़क बा ताको परोक्ष भाव में मेजर करि परिबा ताको ही फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कहा जाय. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. A quantity which can be measured directly or indirectly is called a physical quantity. Okay. Next, physical quantity can also be divided into 2 parts. That means types of physical quantity. There are 2 types of physical quantities. One is fundamental physical quantities and other is derived physical quantities. Next one is types of physical quantities. Types of physical quantities. There are two types. There are two types. Number one is fundamental physical quantities. Number two is derived physical quantities. Okay. Next we have to discuss what is fundamental physical quantities and what are the examples of fundamental physical quantities and how many fundamental physical quantities are there in physics. Next we discuss fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities. The quantities which can be obtained by the basic measurements are called physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities. जो क्वांटिटी गुड़िक बेसिक नीड पाई आवश्यक हुए से क्वांटिटी गुड़िक फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कहुए. जेमिति मास लेंथ टाइम ये तीन टा फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज खाली मेकानिक्स पाई. मेकानिक्स मीन्स फिजिक्स रो गोटे ब्रांच कहुए मेकानिक्स. तारी पाई तीन टा फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी अच्छी. व्हाट आर दे ना मास लेंथ एंड टाइम. से भाया आउ चारिटा फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी अच्छी. व्हाट आर दे ना वन इज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, सेकंड वन इज टेम्परेचर, थर्ड वन इज लुमिनस इंटेंसिटी, fourth one is amount of substance. Then all total 7 fundamental quantities are there. Next examples: mass, length and time are three fundamental physical quantities in mechanics. Other fundamental physical quantities are electric current, second one is temperature, third one is luminous intensity, and fourth one is amount of substance. That means all total 7 fundamental physical quantities are there. In physics, how many fundamental physical quantities are there? Now 7. What are they? Mass, length, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. Out of 7, 3 fundamental quantities are there in mechanics. What are they? Now mass, length and time. ये जो mass, length and time तीनटा fundamental quantity खाली mechanics पाई धरा जाए, गोटे ब्रांच पाई धरा जाए, सिंगल ब्रांच पाई यूज करा जाए, अदर ब्रांच पाई टोटल ब्रांच पाई 7टा fundamental quantity अछि. These are called the fundamental quantities. एबे second type हम पढ़िबा. What is that? Now that is called the derived physical quantities. Derived physical quantities. Derived physical quantities. Derived physical quantities. The quantities which can be obtained by the combination of which can be obtained by the combination of fundamental physical quantities are called derived quantities. Derived quantities are called derived quantities. जो क्वांटिटी गुड़िक फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजन, एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन लो मिले तेन से भाया क्वांटिटी को कहा जाए डिराइव्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. जेमिति आम एग्जांपल लगा. फॉर एन एग्जांपल किसका एग्जांपल लेंगे ना? डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटी का एग्जांपल. डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटी का एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट वन इज एरिया. सिंबल इज A is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Okay. Length is a fundamental quantity. Breadth is also a fundamental quantity. Then when two fundamental quantities are multiplied, a single quantity is formed. What is that? Na area. एरिया दीटा फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन लो मिली थिवारु ताको कहा जाए डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटी. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम सिंबल इज V. V इज इक्वल टू लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ इनटू हाइट. Length, breadth and height, these three quantities are all are fundamental quantities. Now when they are multiplied with each other, a single physical quantity is formed. That physical quantity is called the volume. So why volume is a derived quantity? Now because it is the multiplication of three fundamental quantities. What are they? Now one is length, breadth and height. So therefore it is called a derived unit but derived quantities. Similarly density रो. सिंबल रीड एज रो. उसको क्या पढ़ेंगे ना? रो पढ़ेंगे. रो रीड एज रो सिंबल. ओके. डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. डेंसिटी इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम और दैट इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम इज लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ इनटू हाइट. सो देयरफॉर इट इज ए derived quantity. Which is a derived quantity? Na density is a derived quantity. Okay. Any physical quantity can be expressed in unit or magnitude and unit. जैसे कि mass of a body is 50 kg. Mass of a body is 50 kg. 50 stand for numerical value, that is called the magnitude, and kg stand for the unit. So any physical quantities are expressed in two parts. One is magnitude, numerical value, number, another is unit. So next, a physical quantity can be can be written as a physical quantity can be written as x is equal to nu. X is equal to nu. Where x equal to symbol of a physical quantity. Symbol of a physical quantity. N equal to numerical value or magnitude. U is equal to unit. For example, F equal to 50 Newton. ये 50 क्या है ना मैग्नीट्यूड न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है और N फॉर स्टैंड फॉर यूनिट दिस इज द MKS और SI यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स और F इज द सिंबल ऑफ फोर्स. ओके, दैट मीन्स ए फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए देयर आर टू quantities are used. One is magnitude, another is unit. Without unit, a physical quantity cannot be expressed. Or without magnitude, a physical quantity cannot be expressed. Okay.